It's my privilege to present to you the Attorney General of the great state of Texas, Ken Paxton.
Well, what a beautiful day to be standing here with you defending marriage. In 2003, I had the chance to come to the legislature, and we passed, for the first time, the Defense of Marriage Act, defining marriage as between a man and a woman. And I want you to know, these people standing behind us, some of our great legislators and senators, they were part of passing that. Would you please give some of them a round of applause? In 2005, we came back and we passed the constitutional amendment with over 2/3 vote. And again, these legislators voted for it, and over 3/4 of the constituents of this state voted to define in our Constitution marriage as between a man and a woman. Thank you, voters of Texas. And then 10 years later, I was sworn in on January 5th. In my first week of office, we were in front of the Fifth Circuit defending the very law that you all passed. And thankfully, the Sixth Circuit has ruled in our favor, and that case is going to be in front of the United States Supreme Court in the next few weeks. So please pray for our Supreme Court. You would think that that would be enough, that in my first 2 months that would be all we had to deal with in marriage, but no. We had a probate judge in February in Austin, Texas, and Travis County decide to rule in an unrelated case that our constitutional provision defining marriage was unconstitutional. We took that case to the Texas Supreme Court and got a stay. Two days later, we had a probate judge first, then a criminal district judge order a Travis County district clerk to marry a same-sex couple. Again, in violation of our Constitution, we went to the Supreme Court, and again, we got a stay. Well, I've been in office a whole 2.5 months. We're not done yet. Last week, we had a rule issued by the Labor Department. It's actually issued a few weeks ago. And under that, they defined, under Family Medical Leave Act, same-sex couples, and they were forcing states like Texas, employers that have over 50 people, and state agencies to include same-sex partners in that definition, which would force us to violate our own Constitution. We immediately filed in district court in Wichita Falls. We are challenging the Obama administration once again, and we're going to win this case for Texas. So please continue to pray for us, and I will pray that God blesses this great state of Texas. My office will continue to fight, and thank you for what you're doing. God bless Texas. Thank you.